Cicada. Look how clean it is. Oh, fish on, guys. Second cast today. Second cast of the day. I knew there'd be one in there. Second cast of the day, guys. Oh, yes. Nice little fish on the cicada. There we go. Second cast of the day. That's so good. There we go. First fish. Got a bit of a... Looks like it's been attacked by like an eel or something. Second cast of the day. It was so awesome. Oh. Sick. Alright everyone, down at the creek. I'm a bit sick today, but that's not going to stop me from fishing. Yeah, me and Bo just down at the creek. End of the day, it's overcast. We got some topwater lures on. What I'm doing right now, I actually just messed up my leader a little bit. Well, not my leader, my line. A little bit just before. Got a big chunk out of it accidentally, just there. So yeah. But anyway, just down at the creek with Bo, fishing topwater. What could be much better? Hope you enjoy the video. See a catfish just there. Oh, just got a hit. Yeah. No, on the cicada, just twitching it. Damn. Oh, there he is. Oh, tiny little bass. They're so small today. Tiny little bass, probably only like 10 or 12 centimeters. Off he goes. Oh, swell. Swell, 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 swell. That was something decent as well. Ah. Oh. Oh. Is it a fish? Yeah. Actually? Yeah. The fish. There we go. Oh! Go. Oh. Dinner time, eh? Yeah, I saw that. You're right. I fully thought that was just a baby bird. There we go. Tiny little bass on the cicada. That seems to be the only size that we're getting today. Real little ones. That one that just had a go at Bo's lure was pretty big though. Another tiny little bass on surface. Off he goes. It just dropped that. That's the mouse's carcass. Can you oh my god. They're ruthless. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I know this video wasn't very good, but I just wanted to go for a fish. I've been stuck in the house sick all day, and I just wanted to get out there. So yeah, just got, I think, 3 bass on surface. Probably got 3 as well. Got a few other blow-ups. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And go look at Bo's channel. I think it's just Bo's Fishing. Just look that up. It's pretty good. So yeah.